Before buying an Orbital sander, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many budget options look similar, but what actually delivers the smooth finish without breaking the bank? Let's uncover the top contenders.
Product number 1, Skill 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. At a glance, its vibrant design grabbed my attention, and given its price point, it's definitely worth considering. If you want consistent results without the hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. This sander packs a powerful 2.8 amp motor that runs at 13,000 orbits per minute, meaning you can tackle various sanding tasks with ease. The easy-to-clean dust container is a game changer. It uses cyclone force to collect dust, keeping your workspace tidy. Plus, with variable speed control, you can adjust the power based on the material, making it versatile for different projects. The low vibration design is a huge plus too, meaning you can work longer without fatigue. Honestly, it's a solid choice if you're looking for performance without the stress. Now, some users mention that the dust container can be a bit small, requiring more frequent emptying. Here's the thing though, if you're doing smaller projects, it's not a deal breaker, just keep an eye on it. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast needing a reliable sander. Skip this one if you often work on larger jobs that produce a lot of dust. For the price, it's a great value. Now, if that small dust container bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, DeWalt 20V Max Orbital Sander. We have the DeWalt 20V Max Orbital Sander. At just under $95, this cordless option really stands out, especially for those who hate being tethered to a cord. If you want portability without sacrificing performance, this is worth a serious look. The brushless motor here not only increases efficiency, but also prolongs battery life, which is a huge plus for anyone working on extended projects. It offers variable speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, allowing you to match the speed precisely to your application. The low-profile design means you can get really close to your work surface, which is fantastic for detail work. Plus, the dust-sealed switch ensures longevity by preventing dust ingestion, so you can keep using it without issues. However, some users noted that it doesn't come with a battery or charger, so if you don't already have DeWalt tools, that might add to your costs. But here's the thing, if you're already invested in their system, it's a great addition. This is perfect for you if you're often on the go and need a powerful tool without the cord. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete kit right out of the box. For its features, the price is spot on. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a complete package.
Product number 3, DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit. The DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit is another solid choice. Its sleek design and powerful specs caught my eye. If you want a reliable kit that includes everything you need to get started, this is worth a serious look. This one features a 3.0 amp motor, delivering 12,000 orbits per minute for smooth finishes. The separate counterweight design reduces vibration, which is great for your hands during prolonged use. The improved dust collection system is a big plus as it keeps the workspace cleaner. Plus, it has a dust-sealed switch for longer life, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear as quickly. Some people found the dust bag a bit small, which means frequent emptying. Here's the thing though, if you're doing smaller projects, it's manageable and keeps the dust down. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable sander that comes with a good starter kit. Skip this one if you need a cordless option or often work on larger jobs. For the features included, it's a great value. Now, if the corded design is a concern for you, the next one might catch your interest.
Product number 4, Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander. The Bosch ROS20 VSC Palm Sander, priced at $69. This one really impressed me with its thoughtful features. If you want a sander that minimizes swirl marks and has excellent dust collection, this is worth a serious look. With a variable speed dial that adjusts from 7,500 to 12,000 orbits per minute, you can fine-tune the performance based on your task. The hook and loop disc attachment system is super convenient, allowing for quick changes without hassle. The vacuum dust collector system is also impressive. It captures fine dust down to half a micron, so you can work without creating a mess. And let's not forget the pod dampening system, designed to prevent those annoying swirl marks. However, some users mentioned that the dust canister might feel a bit flimsy if not handled carefully. But honestly, for the price and performance, it's a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you prioritize a clean finish and easy use. Skip this one if you're looking for something more heavy-duty or if you need extensive power. For its price, it's a fantastic deal. All right, that was a great option, but the last one on our list is for someone looking for an incredibly budget-friendly choice.
Product number 5, DCA Random Orbital Sander. We have the DCA Random Orbital Sander, which is a steal at just $35.99. If you need an entry-level sander that doesn't break the bank, this one might be right up your alley. It features a powerful 3.0 amp motor with 6 variable speeds, ranging from 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, making it quite flexible for different tasks. The design focuses on low vibration, which means you can sand longer without discomfort. Plus, it comes with 10 pieces of sandpaper, so you're ready to start working right away. The dust collection system is effective too, minimizing mess during operation. Some users reported that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to more premium brands. Here's the thing though, at this price point, you're getting solid performance for basic tasks, making it a great starter tool. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a backup sander. Skip this one if you're a pro looking for high-end features. For its price, it's unbeatable value. Now let's wrap up what we've seen today.
To quickly recap, we covered the Skill 5-inch Random Orbital Sander, the DeWalt 20V Max, the DeWalt Orbital Sander Kit, the Bosch ROS 20VSC, and the DCA Random Orbital Sander. Each of these options brings something unique to the table, whether it's portability, dust collection, or budget friendliness. Depending on your specific needs, you can't go wrong with any of these choices.